Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again, and this time I'm gonna feature you of how I did fix my faulty lens communication towards my lens and my camera, because I have this 50mm, 30mm, 70 to 200mm Tamron lens, which I have a problem like doing to put in my camera and it doesn't read the lens. So this time I'm gonna show you how I did, and it is like a miracle that I don't need to spend a single cent to fix my problem. Well, I'm not actually a real photographer, but I know some, like, because I'm trying to learn. So I grew up in photography, as my father itself is a photographer. So I have these three lenses, which is 50mm f1.4, 30mm f1.4, and 70-200mm f2.8. And I have a problem connecting with my camera to my lens, and it's always said that faulty lens communication, and I have to clean my lens. So I don't know, I don't want to touch because I don't have experience cleaning, but my friend gave me a lot of stuff to clean, like, you know, like a pump, a little brush, a soft cloth. So I just thought that I have to try, so I don't need to spend more money. And if I cannot do, or anything that I cannot fix with my lenses, so I have to bring to a professional fixer. Well, of course, I did Google and what to do. So it said that I have to brush off a little bit, or because, you know, sometimes our hands is oily, or we use lotion and then we take off our lenses, so it makes smudges around, or it needs really like damp or dust inside the lens. So the important thing is the mounting of the gold thing in that area of our lens and in the camera. Let's see this one. Yeah, this gold thing. So I brushed that off and then clean around the surface, and then also I zoom in and zoom out, and then also I clean the zoom, like this one. So I heard, you know, like it's not really smooth anymore. It needs a little bit of cleansing, you know, because I never use it for quite some time, because this is the problem, it's like doesn't connect to my camera, and so I want to use it, so I try to fix what I can do. So as you can see, this is the gold thing. This is my lens. This is the 50 mm. So I brush this off. Yes, I brush it, and I don't need to touch a lot my fingerprints on the glass lens alone. I just like to brush it off on the surface, like everything, and then I rub it with a soft cloth, very, very light, and that's it. After you clean, you do the same thing to your camera, because there's also like the gold thing, that is called the mounting area, like this one. Yes, and then you put it back to your camera, and then you try it, and then it works perfectly fine. So that's it, guys. It's just a miracle that my problems is solved, and I didn't use any single cents to bring it to the professional fixer. Yes, that's it. That's what I'm telling it. So if you happen to have this kind of problem, you just need to be clean, especially the mounting area, which is the like a connector to your lens and to your camera. So guys, thank you for watching, and I hope that it helps you this. And my explanation is not thorough, but I know that it works for me and it will work for you.